Subscribe and hit bell icon ting 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 to never miss a video from Shweta's Art Gallery. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shweta's Art Gallery. In today's video, we will learn how to make this beautiful quilled butterfly. But before that, some formalities. Please do follow me on my social media handles for regular updates. Get all the required materials: quilling strips of 3mm, glue, card sheet, scissor, quilling tool and magnet. So let's begin. Take 3 quilling strips of 3mm. Using bigger glue bottle, make a bigger ring. Continue to make the ring and secure the end with glue. Make 2 such bigger circular rings. Now using 3 quilling strips of 3mm and using smaller glue bottle, make the smaller ring. Make 2 such small rings. Take 1 circular ring and pinch this ring from both the sides and make a leaf kind of shape. Now take card sheet and glue these leaf shapes onto the paper and cut the excess paper around these 4 pieces. Now I will show you how to create this Beehive Technique loops. Take a strip, insert a tool and roll for around 6 times and take out the tool. Repeat the same, leaving an inch distance of strip. Take 1 leaf-shaped piece and glue beehive pattern to it as you see here. In the same way, repeat for the rest of the 3 pieces. Using 1 strip for each coil, make 2 tight coils and make cone shape of the 2 tight coils. Glue these to each other. Now, glue 1 small and 1 big leaf shape to each other as you see here. Also, glue body and both the wings with each other as you see here. I'm placing pencil below the wings of the butterfly to give a good 3D effect. Now to make antenna, use 1/4 strip, fold into half and make scroll from both the ends. Glue this to the butterfly. Our beautiful quilled butterfly is ready. So that's it for today's video guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and if you did, then don't forget to subscribe. Do give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.